Alright, so we have the Peeps here. We're going to go ahead and try what Billy recommended to do. Put these in there and see what happens.
Because everybody loves hot Peeps.
Alright.
Oh, we got it open now. We're open.
How many should I do? One or two?
Hell, let's get crazy. Let's go two.
Here we go.
Oh, goodness. There's two little ducklings.
Let's go
Yeah.
45 seconds.
Oh, we're getting crazy.
Here we go.
Here we go. Peep.
Oh.
Look at that. Immediately.
Yeah.
It didn't even take what?
Not even 10
15
seconds.
Oh my goodness.
Uh-oh. Here we go. We keep expanding. 25 left.
I'm waiting for it to go boom.
20 seconds left. 15.
They just keep getting bigger?
They just keep expanding.
Oh my god.
We're at 10. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Actually, you know what? I kind of smell a little burning.
Look at that. Hot
They-
marshmallow fluff.
Actually started cooking. Right in the center, if you can see, they started cooking that brown stuff. Cool. Well, at least they didn't explode.